Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. And welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here second day at Expo Real in front of the Warsaw stand. Warsaw is, the whole fair is doing extremely well. We distributed over 1,500 magazines yesterday, and with a number of people today, it looks like it's going to be, maybe 2,000 today. So big records on that side. As you can see, the Warsaw stand in back is always a great stand to come to at Expo Real. It's filled with people, a lot of investors, a lot of people that are already doing business in Central Europe or in Poland. They always stop by the Warsaw stand. So it's another place where we have our magazines. You're able to pick one up at the Warsaw stand, as we're media partners and partners with Warsaw, with Romania, with of course with Ukraine stand in Kiev. So definitely come see the Kiev stand. Anyway, a lot of things going on here. Really is a positive atmosphere here at Expo Real, and it really looks like even within these troubled times, there is a lot of opportunities and a lot of business going on here now. So we're happy to see it. Pick up a copy of Europa Property Investment Guide. We've also got our events, which is in exactly 2 weeks, is our CRE Awards in Budapest. So covering Southeastern Europe, so Hungary, Serbia, Czech Republic, Slovakia. Big focus on Serbia this year, it seems, but also a lot of great projects from the region, from Hungary. And also 1 week after that, the 27th of October, we have our CEE Awards, CEE or Investment Awards in Warsaw. I was hearing from the team, it seems like it's almost sold out already. So if you haven't got your tickets yet, or corporate tables, or you want to do anything to sponsor, now is the time to get it. Let me know, or send us an email, or talk to the girls in the office. We'll definitely get you signed up for the event. So enjoy the rest of the day. We're going to shoot over to Winston Norman right now for the daily news. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Good Wednesday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And we'll start with news that Europe needs an additional 3.5 million square metres of last mile logistics space to keep pace with e-commerce growth. Online retail sales are forecast to increase by 48% over the next 5 years across the top 7 e-commerce markets of mainland Europe. As a result of this increase, Knight Frank estimates that an additional 3.5 million square metres of last mile logistics space will be needed across these countries before 2026. According to Knight Frank's latest European logistics report, each 1 billion in online retail sales requires around 24,000 square metres of urban logistics space. And in France, Germany, Italy, Spain, the Netherlands, Sweden and Poland, online retail sales totaled around 293 billion euros in 2021, with an online penetration rate of 15.6%. And penetration rates are expected to increase across these markets over the next 5 years, averaging 19.3% by 2026. This is expected to drive online retail sales to 434 billion euros, a 142 billion euros increase from current levels, and fuel demand for urban distribution hubs which facilitate home delivery. Staying in the logistics industry and moving to the Baltics, and industrial real estate developer Syrian Development is beginning the first stage of development at the Kaunas Free Zone. Shortly, the company will take its next step in the territory, and it's planned to develop more than 47,000 square metres. And in total, we'll build around 63,000 square meters of warehouse space on 12 hectares of land with an estimated value of 44 million euros. And according to CRE, demand for modern and sustainable warehouses on the Lithuanian market are boosted by businesses with a domestic market focus, which are looking for a flexible supply of space, energy efficiency, and work settings that meet employees' expectations. This is why the company is developing industrial real estate that meets the highest standards of sustainability and quality. And Serum in the district of Kaunas is spending around 100 million euros by 2026 and hopes to develop more than 150,000 square meters of warehouse facilities in that time. And finally, for today, moving to Poland, and in the retail industry, Immo Finance Stop Shop offer continues to grow. They've opened their 11th store in Zielona Góra in Western Poland, and this store has 6,700 square meters of space and 11 tenants. And the main tenants include Sinsay, Carry, Teddy, Kakadu, and Martes Sports. And with this latest opening, the Stop Shop portfolio comprises of 102 locations in 10 countries with almost 797,000 square meters of leasable space. And in the medium term, the Stop Shop portfolio is expected to be expanded to 140 locations. And those are the highlights from the website for today. For more news, please join me again tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.